So hello students, welcome in today's amazing video, and today we're going to look at a common word, is. How do we use? Most of the times you have been seeing sentences, this is good, Janet is moving fast. So today we're going to discuss how to use is in English sentences. Of course, here we learn English with is. Okay, don't forget, is a form of the word be. Is a form of the word be. So it shows the state in which something is happening, and is used in present tense. So present tense is used to show things happening currently, things which happen within the day. So is used in present tense. Is shows the state of something. It shows which state something is. So it pinpoints out to that state. For example, today is a good day. Is majorly used on a singular noun. With singular noun, I mean one item or one element. Remember, we said a noun is a name given to anything. For example, blackboard or whiteboard, a ruler, a boy, a girl, that is a noun. So when you are pinpointing out to one item, you use is as the helping word. So is a helping word in English. It pinpoints out to a particular object or noun or item. Is not, have to note, singular noun means one noun or one item or one element. Okay, so is used with present tense, as I've earlier told you. So what you have to note is used as a helping word in English. Okay, let's have some examples on using is. For example, Martha is singing a song. Martha is singing a song. So is pinpoints out with the noun Martha. So Martha is singular, is a lady. So you're pinpointing out to that particular lady, Martha. And what is Martha doing? Martha is singing. If we were many, we would say we are singing. But since we are pointing out one element, we say Martha is singing a song. Hope we are together. Okay, she is. So instead of using Martha, you can use the pronoun she. When you use she, you say she is, because you're talking about one noun. She is playing Ludo. What is she doing? She is playing Ludo. Hope we are together. Another one, we say the building is too old. The building is, because it is a single building. So the building is too old. The boy is running. The boy is running. So the activity the boy is doing is running. So the boy is running. Another example, it is grazing. For example, the animal or a goat, it is grazing. You say it is because it is one. It is grazing. John is writing in his book. Once again, John is writing in his book because he's doing the activity alone. That's why we use is. John is writing in his book. Okay, another one. Jesus is coming back soon. This is a common phrase. Jesus is coming back soon. Okay, the last example, we say he is in the hospital. We're referring to one man or one male person because of using he. He is in the hospital. He is in the hospital. So here we're referring to one person. That's why we use is. He is in the hospital. Okay, a point to note, is used with a singular noun and it indicates present tense. So it comes from the word be. It shows the state of something. That is what you should note on using. Whenever you are using is, you should note that you should talk about one noun or one element. Okay, that is how we use is in English sentences. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye.